everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download YouTube videos. So if you want to watch YouTube videos offline without using sketchy apps or websites, good news, there's an official way to do it and it's super easy. In this video I'll show you step by step how to download YouTube videos the right way using the official feature. So first, open YouTube in your browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Make sure you're signed in to your account. Now to download videos officially, you need YouTube Premium. So click your profile icon. Now go to Purchases and Memberships. Then subscribe to Premium if you haven't already. So this unlocks the download feature. So just select Manage Membership and tap on the plan that you want. Next, so go back, click on Home. Now in here, open any video you want to save. For example, this one. Now once you open a video, below the video player, look for a download button, usually next to Share and Save. If you can find it, click on the three dots. And if you see it in here, click on Download. Now select your preferred quality, like Full HD, 1080p, High 720, Standard 480p, and Low 144p. Then confirm the download. You can also enable Remember My Settings and confirm the download. Tap on Download. So as you can see, it's now downloading. So keep this window open to continue. Click on View. And you can see it right here that the video is now downloading. So to watch your downloaded videos, you can go to the left side and under You, look for Downloads. Tap on it and you can now watch videos offline anytime, even without internet. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching.